Hey, it's Regina from Eat Travel Life, and today we are smoking turkey breast in the smoker. Let's go ahead and get started. Here is what you need to go ahead and make that delicious turkey in the smoker. And we're going to need to have a thawed turkey for sure, and leave it in that mesh bag and then trim the excess from it and get your seasoning, garlic powder, salt and pepper, and put it all over it. And if you didn't already, make sure you preheat that smoker to 250 or get it started. Go ahead and make sure you get the seasoning all over it. This is going to add so much flavor to the turkey and give it a good turkey, traditional turkey taste. We put the meat thermometer into the deepest part of the turkey and get it in there, and that'll let us monitor the temp of the turkey without having to open up the smoker. Go ahead and put it in the smoker, and you'll want to check it a few times just to make sure that it's smoking and you've got smoke with those wood chips that are wet, of course, and those need to be smoked in advance. When you open it, you should notice that there's smoke coming out, and we check it every 30 minutes or so. Once the turkey's at 165 degrees, we know it's done. We had a battle of meat thermometers going on between my husband and myself, but we go ahead and remove the turkey. You let it sit for a good 15-20 minutes. That way the juice, it will keep it juicy when you go to slice it. And then we couldn't wait. We started slicing it up, and just look how delicious that is. There's a nice crust on it. Perfect for dinner. This is perfect to make when you don't need to cook a whole bird for the holidays. It's so delicious and tender. Let me know in the comments how your bird turned out. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. Have a great day.